How to fix Wi-Fi not working problems on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If not, contact your Wi-Fi service provider. If it's not an issue, then the problem might be on your device. To fix it, follow the next steps. Any one of these steps might work for you. Let's start with airplane mode. Open the control center and turn on airplane mode. After a few seconds, turn off airplane mode. This will refresh all the network connections. Now, check Wi-Fi is connected or not and try to browse. If it is not working, then reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Next, long press on the Wi-Fi icon. Then again click on the Wi-Fi. Here, click on Wi-Fi settings. Here, you will see all the networks connected. Tap on the eye inside a circle icon for a connected network. The Wi-Fi details will appear then. Click on Forget this network and tap on Forget to confirm. Now, reconnect again to the Wi-Fi and try to browse. If it is not working, then force restart. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, check whether Wi-Fi is working or not. If not working, then try next. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now click on Reset, and then tap on Reset Network Settings from the pop-up. Next, enter the passcode and click on Reset Network Settings to confirm. This will remove all the saved Wi-Fi networks, reconnect them again and check if it is working. If not, then try disabling the VPN. Go to Settings, scroll down and look for the VPN option. Now turn off the toggle next to it to disable VPN. Then check if Wi-Fi is working or not. If it is not working, then update iOS. Open Settings app. Scroll down and click on General. Next, look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have an update available, then update the software. Make sure you have installed the latest version of iOS software. If none of the above steps doesn't work, then contact Apple support. Then it might be a hardware issue. Contact the Apple support to fix it, and that's it.